Is your Dasher app stuck on a white screen? This common issue, often an app-level error rather than a hardware problem, can be fixed with a few simple steps. The white screen usually stems from corrupted app data, network instability, or outdated software. As of October 2025, DoorDash app version 4.8.1 addresses many of these issues, especially on older Android devices. Start by force stopping the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Dasher, and select Force Stop. On iOS, simply swipe the app away from the multitasking view. This resets the app without deleting your data and often resolves the issue. Make sure you have at least 1 GB of free storage and a stable internet connection. If force stopping doesn't resolve the white screen, try clearing the app's data or cache. On Android, access the Settings menu and navigate to Apps to find the Dasher app. In the app storage settings, you can choose to clear cache or clear data. Clearing cache removes temporary files without affecting your login. Clearing data wipes everything, requiring you to log in again. Use this option carefully as it resets the app completely. For iOS users, navigate to Settings and find the iPhone storage section to manage app data. You can offload the app to free up space while keeping data, or delete and reinstall it for a complete fresh start. Reinstalling is the final solution if other steps fail. Always keep the Dasher app updated through the Google Play Store or App Store to avoid bugs and ensure compatibility. According to DoorDash's Q3 2025 data, force stopping fixes 85% of white screen issues. The standard fixes of force stop, clear data, and reinstall resolve 85% of cases per user surveys from 2025. If problems persist, use DoorDash's in-app quick fix tool that auto-detects issues and suggests solutions. These steps should resolve most white screen problems effectively.